We realized when she was a little girl, probably about 3, she was watching a TV program. She was just mesmerized, and I thought, this little girl, I think, has a love for horses like I had.
It isn't just riding, it's the care and the raising and even just brushing and cleaning a horse gives you a sense of satisfaction.
When we first bought the Arabian, Allie's ability was that she could clean a stall and brush the horse. She didn't know how to ride, but she got enough satisfaction out of that was a real reward, and it just grew from there.
In her first show, she's just this little girl on this horse, just getting through it and really intimidated, really, and scared, and like we all would be. And now, 5 years later, I don't think she's afraid to do anything. She's very confident in who she is and her talents and skills. And I've seen that poise go into not just horses, but it's just transcended to that. It's just made her a more confident, self-assured person because she's been there and done big things.
Growing up in Albuquerque, my father was a teacher at the University of New Mexico. And as we all know, through understanding economics of certain jobs, school teachers aren't provided with an enormous salary. And I was a horse-loving kid. We bought my first Arabian for $750, and we kept it in an outdoor paddock, and that horse thrived. I had a great horse with a great mind who wanted to do everything for her friend, who was me, because we loved each other. And I went to horse shows every Sunday afternoon and competed in Western, English, equitation, cutting, reining, everything. We did everything with our horses because the Arabian horse could do everything.
I love what I do. I'm passionate about what I do. I was raised with horses. I've shown other breeds. I like other breeds. There's good horses in all breeds. I went into the Arabian breed in 1970, and I just like working with them. I like the people that own them.
They're very easy to own. They are not expensive horses, contrary to popular belief. Some of them do sell for a great deal of money. Many of them don't. Many of them are family horses, and they sell in that budget. And they're not expensive to maintain. They're just like maintaining any other breed of horse. They require the same type of care. They do require a little more interaction because they love people. So you want to go out and visit with them and love on them. You want to take them carrots, and you want to have them follow you around and take them grain, and because they are affectionate, people-oriented horses.
I love how elegant they are. Their faces, the way they move, the way they just carry themselves is just so elegant and pretty.
I think the first thing that attracted me to Arabians was just seeing one out at liberty, running around free, doing its own thing, showing its personality, and it really caught me, touched me really to see such a beautiful creature that we can have fun with, no matter who you are or what your condition is.
They're very different to any other horses I've been around in that you can communicate with an Arabian. They're an intelligent horse.
I like Arabians with kids because they're really, really friendly. And the other thing about Arabians is they do pick up on the personalities that they're dealing with. There's something about the children that causes those horses to just keep from stepping on a child that is leading them and tripped in front of them. Or even though the horse could pull away from a child and easily and trot off, he won't do that. He may stand there and prance up and down, but he won't pull away or knock them down. And they're really friendly horses, and they really, really like people. And I don't know what it is about children. I can't tell you exactly what it is, except I think the innocence of children and the non-threatening aura of a child, for some reason the Arabian horses really thrive on that.
I can't wait to see my daughter's kids when she has kids, because she'll be a great mother, because she's learned to raise up something that needs her care and concern. It depends on us.